Hello everyone, welcome to daily editorial analysis of the Hindu newspaper. The topic for today is ban on Chinese apps. So now let's get started. Now earlier this week a press release was issued by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology directing a ban on 59 Chinese applications which will cause certain geopolitical and economic impact on India and China as well. So in this regard, in this video we will discuss about the merits, issues and way forward for India to strengthen its data security architecture, which will be important for your mains point of view under the GS paper 3. So now let's begin our discussion. Now there are certain merits of this ban. The first merit of this ban is that India will no longer rely on the passive diplomacy of China. It is a clear message from India that it will no longer be a victim of Chinese nibble and negotiate policy. The second merit of this ban is that it is hurting Chinese ambition. The ban may affect one of the China's most ambitious goals, namely to become digital superpower by the 21st century, recognizing importance for data because India's app ban consideration of related restriction on telecom hardware and mobile handset is based on the recognition that data streams and digital technology are the new currency of global power. Now, furthermore, there are also certain issues relating with this ban. The first issue relating to this ban is that the lack of transparency. So there are some group of experts are saying that there were the lack of examination and debate. The notification was not publicly available. There were the mandatory notification, that is no prior public disclosure was met, and there is also a need legal order to challenge in the court. Despite this, there are also certain issues relating to legality because under section 69A of Information and Technology Act is saying that there is a show cause notice to be served before blocking, and this process can only be exempted at a time of emergency, but nothing in press release points to emergency. The way forward for strengthening India's data security architecture is weeding out the obsolete legislations for IT Act 2000 or Copyright Act. There is also a need for a data protection law. In this context, the Indian Parliament must expedite the enacting of the Personal Data Protection Bill 2019. There are also need for developing alternatives of this Chinese app, which will strengthen the data security architecture of India. So this was all about this lecture. Thanks for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel.